Breast Massage Cream, how to massage breasts naturally. The right size of the breasts helps to enhance the beauty of a woman. But, if your breast size is not according to your body type, it may be affecting your look negatively. For you, good news is that you can make use of natural ingredients to get fuller breasts you need. In the video below, I have brought something special for you. Here, I am going to share with you a simple recipe to make massage cream for breast enlargement at home. So, if your breast size is inappropriate, there is no need to look for any other remedy now. Make and use the remedy given below, and get its magical benefits. For this remedy to make a natural massage cream at home to get bigger breasts, here is the recipe. For this, the ingredients you need are: ingredients: honey, 2 tsp. Olive oil, 2 tsp. Procedure: take 2 tsp of honey in a clean bowl. In it, add 2 tsp of olive oil after this. After this, put the mixture to a jar and keep the jar in a bowl full of warm water. Let the mixture melt, and then, you will get the breast massage cream for breast enlargement ready for use. How to use: take the cream you made, and apply it to your breast area. After this, massage your breasts with it gently. Leave the cream to work, and then wash it off. For the best results, use this cream daily. This simple massage cream for breast enlargement is the most effective. To make it, you need only 2 ingredients from your kitchen. Its preparation is simple. So, if you do not have the required breast size, make and use this remedy to have fuller breasts.